Hello and welcome to HW News. This is me Aarti. The Mumbai University has yet again entangled in a controversy. Mostly the university is in controversy for its lackadaisical approach towards examinations. However, in the last 5 years, the university has been accused of taking a saffron hue under the BJP government in the state. Last time it was Yogesh Soman, Director of Theatre of Arts, who was also an RSS sympathizer against whom students had launched an agitation. This time, the controversy has erupted over the Bal Apte Center inside the university's Karina campus. The center first found mention in perspective plan released by the university from 2018-19 to 2022-23. It mentioned the center under the category of Centers for Addressing Issues of Global Importance. In the state budget of 2019, the center was approved. A consolidated fund of Rs 25 crores has been sanctioned for the center. Now, who is Bal Apte and why was the center named after him? Balwant Bal Apte was an RSS ideologue and was also president of ABVP, which is affiliated with the BJP for 38 years. He was MP from BJP. To honor him, the center has been named after him. Now, interestingly, at the foundation laying ceremony of the center, Dattatreya Hospade, RSS Joint General Secretary, was also present and so was ABVP President. This foundation laying ceremony took place last year in August. The center was also sanctioned additional Rs 58.78 lakh rupees for recurring expenditure. But a new RTI filed by advocate Siddharth Ingle has revealed that the center was immediately allotted Rs 12 crore 54 lakhs in June last year only. The amount was sanctioned in June last year. However, since the foundation laying ceremony, there hasn't been any significant development on the spot. It has been 5 months, but the center is idle. No work is going on at the spot. Our reporter Aditi Thakur visited the Kalina campus and found that the cornerstone erected and some overgrown bushes around the spot. There was hardly anyone or any work going on at the spot. As per the RTI reply, the courses that will be taught at the center and the fees to be charged is yet to be decided. It is in process. So the question is, how was the proposal cleared without taking into notice the fact that courses and programs, fee structure and other details were not prepared beforehand? There was no blueprint for the same. Students, on the other hand, have been asking at a time when they are demanding better quality hostels and the university constantly denying, stating the reason of lack of funds. How is the university receiving such a huge fund for the new center?
हमें आरटीआई के तरफ से जो डेटा मिला है, मुंबई विद्यापीठ का रजिस्ट्रार ने खुद पत्र लिखे, खुद लेटर लिखे वो 25 CR की डिमांड करती इस बाल आपटे सेंटर के लिए। हमारा इस सेंटर के लिए कोई विरोध नहीं है। ये सेंटर होना है तो विद्यापीठ के बाहर हो जाए और प्राइवेट फंडिंग से हो जाए। गवर्नमेंट फंडिंग से करना मुझे बराबर नहीं लगता है। ये जो फंडिंग है स्टूडेंट्स के अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए, वेलफेयर के लिए खर्चा करो ना, कोई मना नहीं करेगा। बड़े 25 करोड़ लेके आप अगर बाल अपटे का सेंटर बनाना चाहते हो, बाल अपटे नामक स्टडी सेंटर बनाना चाहते हो, तो वो स्टडी सेंटर में आप ओनली सिर्फ RSS का आइडियोलॉजी के बारे में बताना चाहते हो। अगर आप सिर्फ ABP के बारे में बताना चाहते हो तो ये गलत बात है। और ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, जो महाराष्ट्र राज्य के शिक्षा मंत्री रह चुके हैं वो खुद बोले, उन्होंने माध्यम के द्वारा ही बताया गया है।
But the issue with this center does not end there. Amidst the allegation of saffronizing of Mumbai University, the Bal Apte Center is being looked at as another such attempt. At the foundation laying ceremony, then Education Minister Vinod Taude reportedly said that the new center will impart the training which the members of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad get. Now, why would a university center in any way have the shades of ABVP, which is affiliated with RSS and BJP? What exactly is the motto behind the Bal Apte Center? And if you have to construct such a center which will impart training same as the ABVP, then why build it on university space? A university should facilitate different ideas and point of views, but should not subscribe to a particular ideology. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. Now, you can also download our HW News app on your Android Play Store and Apple Store. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.